Hi, I'm Bill with MAHLE. I'm here today to explain the difference between a regular cabin air filter and a charcoal activated filter. So you notice I have a couple cabin air filters here in front of me, and the first thing you'll notice right off the bat is it's not one size fits all. This happens to be a BMW cabin air filter. This is a Mercedes-Benz filter. This is the filter for my Ford van. And you see, again, not one size doesn't fit all. So we have a filter designed for about every vehicle that has a cabin air filter. Now, if I hold these two up, you can see graphically here the difference. It's real easy to see. Our standard cabin air filters are white. Our charcoal activated are charcoal colored. Makes sense, right? But the difference is this filter here, which is a standard cabin air filter, it filters out bugs and dust and sand and particles of rubber and soot and so on. You know, whatever the micron rating of the filter is, it takes care of it. These charcoal activated filters, they do all that, plus, because of the activated charcoal that's in them, they filter out odors. So if we've got diesel fuel odors, or we live out on the farm like I do, and you've got livestock odors, or you got odors from chemicals that they're putting on the fields, these charcoal activated filters will filter out those odors. Now, sometimes you have a choice, so if you have a choice, you're always better off to pick a charcoal activated filter for your car rather than the plain filter. You'll pay a few more dollars, but in the long run, you'll get a lot more comfort out of the vehicle. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.